Welcome to Kurumbar community in India. Kurumbar community is not a small caste. It is an ancient tribe all over India with its own unique language, culture, traditional music, dance. Kurumbar community lives in many states under many names. Especially in Tamil Nadu it is called Kurumba. In Karnataka it is called Kurumba. In Telangana it is called Kurumba. In Maharashtra it is called Patra. In Gujarat it is called Tangar and Pal. Our community lives in many names all over India. The name and the place are different but everyone is by ethnicity. We all practice our clan professional of Sikh and candle heading to today. Our Kurumbar ancestors were united and established the Kurumbar kingdom, the Pallava Empire, the Vijayanagar Empire and the Maratha Empire and ruled this land. If and the Kurumbar in India are united, we can once again rule in that empire. Therefore, I hope that our race will achieve unity on the Indian level. Thank you to all.